So for today's tip, I'd like to share conditional formatting in Excel with you. And we're going to specifically be looking at what we call top to bottom rules. Now, this report I downloaded is the happiness report in the world. And I'm sad to say that South Africa, I think, scores like 101 on the list. I mean, I was shocked when I saw this. But anyway, so if we look at the happiness score, what I'd like to do, and at the moment it's sorted by country, what I'd like to do is highlight this column, and I want to automatically show any country that's above average. So imagine using this in financials and budgets and sales reports as well. So I've highlighted this column. I'm going to click on the Home tab, Conditional Formatting. I'm going to go to top to bottom rules. Under top to bottom rules, you'll see, very easy, there's one that says above average. So I can actually then highlight that in a specific color. I can choose or change a custom format, but this is a very easy way to very quickly work out what is the average and then to highlight those that we consider as above average. Believe me, normally I would have to add this up, count how many numbers there are, work out the average for it, and then go and highlight everything that's above the average. So that's quite a nice and neat little trick to show very quickly. Let's look at some of the others. So top to bottom rules, there's also show me the top percent, 10%. Again, I can actually set up that 10% to say only show me the top 20% or the top 1% or something. So top to bottom rules, there's the bottom 10%, there's below average, above average, the top 10%, the top 10 items. Again, it's going to go look at the data set and it's going to give you the top 10 performing items in that data set. So the conditional formatting for top and bottom rules is really a very nice and easy thing to set up. And remember that this stays on your column. So as you change data or move data around, it actually keeps on applying that formatting to it. So a really nice thing for you to be able to see exceptions in your data very quickly. So using conditional formatting and using the top to bottom rules is quite a cool trick to use. Enjoy.